Hello everyone, this is your astrologer and tarot reader Shravanti here. So, in my previous video, I would have spoken in detail about how the stock market can crash in this particular year. I would have spoken that video around the New Year time or maybe before the New Year itself. And many people were commenting that how can you predict such a way that the stock market is going to crash. Now, if you see, the stock market has been in a bearish run for the past 5 to 6 months. At least for the past 3 months, from January to February range till now, there hasn't been a major recovery of many stocks in the main portfolio. In fact, if you note down, a lot of the IT stocks, a lot of the main portfolio stocks are not really doing well. It is not just because of the company's quarterly result or not just because of any other events in the world, but it is purely because of the planetary combinations that we are facing. So I've come again with the analysis of how the stock is going to go down, but other commodities contrary to that is going to go up. So first thing is the stock is going to have a slowdown. The reason why is the planetary combinations and the Dasa Bhukti of India's horoscope is particularly not good for the next 1 to 1.5 years. And number of people investing in the stock market who are foreign investors will come down. The reason because is, if you see India's horoscope from the Lagna of India horoscope, the Rahu and the Ketu's transit will be happening over the 10th and the 4th house. Similarly, it also is an indication that the relationship with the outside investors will have a certain amount of turmoil. And second thing, India is also going to start a new dasha, and during the start of the new dasha and the new bhukti, there will be a lot of tension financially and economically for the country. But gold will definitely go up. That I know that many investors, many influencers might tell gold is going to go up, go up, go up. But how long is this going to go up? If you see, according to India's Dasha Bhukti, we can expect the next 5 to 10 years to be a gold run rather than the stock market run. So this Dasha Bhukti, the new Dasha, especially will enhance the growth of gold and silver, that is metals. So if you are trying to invest in any form of stock market or in any form of equities or commodities, then you can definitely buy gold and silver. Now, and everybody will say that gold is going up, but nobody will put their faith in silver. But I say that silver also will go up in the long run. So anywhere from right now, silver is 111 rupees. It can even touch more than 200 rupees in the next 5 years. And gold also will touch unexpected heights, especially Indian stock market will not be growing at that particular range. So if you want to understand more in the coming videos, I will be giving the details. This is a purely educational and analytical video. This is not suggesting that you have to invest in that particular form of commodity or stock. But if you are thinking that if astrology has any relevance with stock market and the finances of a country, it definitely does. And in the long run, we can use astrology in many aspects of analyzing equity, analyzing a company, analyzing its growth. So in the coming videos, I'll also be explaining in detail about the few IPOs which got launched recently and how it's doing. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like my channel. Thank you.